Okay, now right off the bat, I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to actually be autocrossing the Mustang. There was going to be another car that I had planned to, but sometimes, unfortunately, when you plan something, things just don't work out. Actually, I was more than bummed out when my Crown Victoria ended up blowing. I was like, hey man, you know what happened to the Mustang? You can just race this. And you know what? She was right. Which brings me to today's video. Like I said, I'm going to be autocrossing the Mustang, and there's generally a lot of braking involved when it comes to autocrossing. These brakes right here are older than time. To be honest, I shouldn't even be driving on them right now. So I was like, you know what? Let me go to my local AutoZone and pick up a pair of new brakes. And boy, was I in for a surprise when I found out that AUTOZONE actually carries performance brakes. That's right, guys. In this box, I mean, this is like an unboxing video for freaking brakes, but look at the box, how they like present it. I mean, like, they really took care of packaging this thing, like, very nice. You never get a set of brakes that are packaged like this. And like I said, like the title of the video says, you guys are looking at actual carbon fiber brake pads for your car. That's right, your local AutoZone down the street carries a set of carbon fiber brake pads. These are the rear ones. I'm actually getting my front ones ordered in tomorrow. So not only can you get carbon fiber brakes for your car, front and rear. Remember, in case you guys are wondering, I don't know if I mentioned it throughout the video, but it's they're called Duralast GT, and the brakes come with a lifetime warranty. Think about that. Next time you need to replace your front and rear brakes, guess what? You get them for free. It's a freaking lifetime warranty. That's insane, dude. Like I was saying, not only do they include performance brakes, but they include performance rotors as well. All right, now the reason this is such a big deal is because we're talking about slotted rotors here. They might not be drilled, but they're still slotted, and you can pick these up at a local store. Not only that, the price is actually very, very affordable compared to actual, like, different brand name ones and stuff like that. And as you guys can see, they are slotted. Now, some of the benefits of having slotted rotors is when you're driving in the wet rain, your braking is actually better when driving in wet conditions and wet surfaces. And it also increases your brake pad bite on the rotor as well. Not only that, if you notice it's black, that's because it's coated in a gel that actually reduces brake dust and it prevents rust. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get these things installed. I'm going to do a little test. I'm going to put these things to the test and see how they feel and how they react compared to a stock brake setup, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, so we just got the new brakes installed. Let me go ahead and take a look at them. This will actually be my first time looking at them. Holy crap. Oh my god, that actually looks badass. That's the black rotor. There are the carbon fiber brakes there. I mean, it's hard to tell because of the caliper in the front, but man, that actually looks pretty badass. As you can see, I didn't get any of the rotors for the rear because, you know, getting carbon fiber brakes and slotted rotors still isn't that cheap, even if we get them from AutoZone. But there are the GT carbon fiber rear brake pads as well. Like I said, now the only sensible thing to do is to gun the hell out of this thing and put those things to the test. So that's what we're out here to do.